Automated affiliate marketing system. What if you could build an affiliate marketing business that continues generating traffic, leads, and commissions, even while you're sleeping, working another job, spending time with family, or taking a vacation? That's the dream most affiliate marketers are chasing. Automation. Not because they want to avoid work, but because they want to stop trading time for money. In today's video, we're going to talk about building an automated affiliate marketing system, how automation actually works, what parts of affiliate marketing can be automated, what parts still require human input, and how beginners can start building systems that continue working long after the initial effort has been completed. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to create a business that generates leads and sales around the clock, this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I regularly share affiliate marketing strategies, AI business ideas, traffic generation methods, and online income opportunities. Also, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people interested in affiliate marketing. And if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend for building an automated affiliate marketing system, click the link in the pinned comment below. Let's get started. First, let's clear up a huge misconception. There is no such thing as a completely automated affiliate marketing business, at least not in the beginning. Many beginners imagine pushing a button and watching commissions magically appear. That's not how it works. Automation comes after the foundation is built. You must first create content, build traffic, create systems, generate leads, and optimize processes. Then automation helps scale those efforts. Think of automation as leverage. The work still happens, but the system continues operating long after you've completed the original task. That's what makes an automated affiliate marketing system so powerful. Let's look at the basic components. Every affiliate marketing business has 5 major pieces: traffic, content, lead generation, email marketing, monetization. When these components work together, you create a system. And systems are where automation becomes possible. Let's start with traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of every affiliate marketing business. Without traffic, nobody sees your offers. Without clicks, there are no leads. Without leads, there are no sales. One of the best traffic sources for automation is YouTube. Why? Because YouTube content can continue generating traffic long after publication. Imagine creating a review video today. Someone discovers it next week. Another person discovers it next month. Another person discovers it 6 months later. The content continues working. This is one reason I love YouTube. Every video becomes a digital asset, and digital assets can continue generating traffic for years. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to some of the same tools many successful affiliate marketers use to automate their businesses, click the link in the pinned comment below. Let's talk about search engine traffic. Google works similarly. When you publish helpful content targeting keywords people search for, those articles can continue attracting visitors long after publication. A single article can generate hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of visitors over time. That's automated traffic, not because you did nothing, but because the work you completed continues producing results. Now let's discuss content creation. This is where artificial intelligence has changed the game. Years ago, creating content required significant time. Today, AI can help generate content ideas, blog outlines, video scripts, email drafts, topic research, headline ideas, content calendars, and workflow improvements. This allows affiliate marketers to create more content more efficiently. Notice something important. AI doesn't replace strategy, it accelerates execution. That's a huge difference. Now let's talk about lead generation. Lead generation is one of the most important parts of an automated affiliate marketing system. Why? Because most visitors won't buy immediately. People need time, they need trust, they need information. That's why smart affiliate marketers collect leads. typically through an email list. Imagine someone discovers your content. They click a link. They receive a free guide, a checklist, a resource, a training. Now they're on your email list. Even if they don't buy today, you can continue providing value. This is where automation becomes extremely powerful. Let's discuss email marketing. Email marketing is arguably the most automated component of affiliate marketing. You can create automated sequences that deliver emails over days, weeks, and even months. Someone joins your list today. Email 1 arrives immediately. Email 2 arrives tomorrow. Email 3 arrives 2 days later. Email 4 arrives next week. Email 5 arrives automatically after that. The system works whether you're awake or asleep. That's leverage. And that's one reason successful affiliate marketers love email marketing. Now let's look at a practical example. Imagine you create a YouTube video reviewing an AI software tool. The video ranks in YouTube search. Visitors watch. Some click your link. They receive a free guide. They join your email list. Your email sequence automatically delivers value and recommendations. Some subscribers eventually purchase. Now multiply that by dozens of videos, hundreds of pieces of content, thousands of visitors. That's where automation becomes exciting. Now, if you're getting value from this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I regularly publish affiliate marketing tutorials, AI business strategies, traffic generation methods, and online income opportunities designed for beginners. Let's talk about funnels. A funnel is simply a process that moves people from awareness to action. Here's a simple affiliate marketing funnel. Traffic, lead magnet, email list, value, affiliate offer. Simple, not complicated, but effective. The beauty of funnels is that much of the process can be automated. Visitors enter at the top. Some become subscribers. Some become customers. The system continues operating. Now let's discuss recurring affiliate programs. This is one of the best ways to increase leverage. Many software companies offer recurring commissions. Instead of earning once, you may continue earning as long as the customer remains active. Imagine referring 10 customers, then 50, then 100. Each customer contributes recurring revenue. This creates a more predictable income stream. Many successful affiliate marketers focus heavily on recurring affiliate offers for this reason. Now let's discuss automation tools. Automation tools can help connect different parts of your business. For example, someone fills out a form. They automatically receive an email. They're automatically added to a list. They're automatically tagged. They're automatically entered into a sequence. These processes save time and improve consistency. Automation is about removing repetitive tasks. Now let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They focus on automation before they have traffic. That's backwards. Traffic comes first. Automation comes second. You cannot automate results that don't exist. Focus on generating traffic, creating content, building audiences, then optimize and automate. Let's talk about content assets. Every article, every video, every email, every lead magnet, every landing page, every resource, these are assets. Assets continue working. That's why content businesses are so powerful. You're not just creating content, you're building assets. The more assets you own, the more opportunities you create. Now let's discuss AI again because it's changing affiliate marketing rapidly. AI can help create video scripts, blog posts, email sequences, lead magnets, research summaries, product comparisons, social media content, and content ideas. This dramatically increases productivity. But remember, the fundamentals haven't changed. People still buy solutions. Trust still matters. Value still matters. Traffic still matters. Let's discuss common mistakes. Mistake number 1, promoting too many products. Focus wins. Choose a few quality offers. Learn them deeply. create content around them. Mistake number 2, ignoring email marketing. Many beginners focus entirely on traffic. Traffic is important, but email creates leverage. Mistake number 3, expecting instant results. Automated affiliate marketing systems take time to build. The first video may not generate sales. The first article may not generate traffic. The first month may feel slow. That's normal. Momentum takes time. Mistake number 4, not tracking results. Successful marketers measure performance. Traffic, clicks, conversions, email subscribers, open rates. The data reveals what's working. Mistake number 5, quitting too early. Most people stop before momentum arrives. The people who succeed keep building. Now let's discuss a realistic 90-day action plan. Month 1, choose a niche. Research affiliate programs. Create your first content. Set up an email platform. Create a simple lead magnet. Month 2, publish consistently. Focus on traffic. Create more content. Build your email list. Improve your funnel. Month 3, analyze results. Optimize pages. Expand content. Double down on winners. Continue building assets. Simple, not easy, but simple. Now let's talk about the long-term vision. Imagine having 50 YouTube videos, 100 blog posts, an email list, multiple lead magnets, several affiliate offers, automated email sequences, recurring commissions. At that point, you don't have random activities. You have a system, and systems create leverage. That's the goal. An automated affiliate marketing system isn't about doing nothing. It's about creating assets that continue working long after the initial effort is completed. Now, before we wrap up, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend for building an automated affiliate marketing system, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help you avoid beginner mistakes and accelerate your progress. Also, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week covering affiliate marketing, AI business ideas, online income opportunities, and traffic generation strategies. And if you found value in today's video, hit the like button because it helps more people discover these strategies. Let's quickly recap. Traffic, content, lead generation, email marketing, monetization. These are the building blocks of every successful automated affiliate marketing system. Focus on creating assets. Focus on building trust. Focus on solving problems. Stay consistent. Keep learning and continue improving. That's how real affiliate marketing businesses are built. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, click the link in the pinned comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.